Welcome to HydroSym tutorials. This video is about group colors. They will help you clarify the various oil flows in your schematic. In addition, they can also be used to predefine unique connections, for example in preparation for manifold design in HydroMan. Select Group Color Visibility in the bottom menu here. Choose from either No Groups, Main Groups or Subgroups. The actual group color menu can be found up here. Click on a main group to see any subgroups. And this is also where you can add new groups. Assign group colors to existing connection lines by selecting a connection line, then right-click your mouse and choose either Select Main Groups or Select Subgroups depending the visibility selected in the bottom menu. Mind you, if no groups is selected in the bottom menu, it's not possible to assign group colors to existing connection lines. If you like to draw new connection lines in a predefined group color, select a group color first up here, and new connection lines will automatically be assigned to that group and drawn in the selected group color. Now last, but this was also covered in our output tutorial, for output options you can also adjust group color visibility here. That's all, thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please watch our other tutorials. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team or visit our support area on the Paro website.